Got my friend Mike over here with his TFL rocket. I brought my TFL rocket. Trying to get the GPS going, but it is not picking up signal today. Not picking up signal. So it is what it is. I'm gonna get these in the water. Gonna run them together. Get these birds out of the way first, huh, Michael? My turn fin broke, so I took it off. Definitely needs a turn fin. Yeah, I'm on 4S.
I'm running it on 3S.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Damn, I need a turn fin. Bad.
Hey, 2 finishes the race, not who goes the fastest.
I can't even turn.
I can't go fast. Why not 4S? I have it, I just don't want to smoke my motor.
Whoa! Little tape coming off, all that bullshit. We'll keep running it though. And put the trim tabs down a little. Boom. Hit the curb as usual. What happened? Damn. Damn. Hit the curb, broke the nose.
Is it leaking now?
It will leak.
I will put it back in. That boat's so thrashed.
I know this one. This boat.
Cool that you could just bring it back to life like that, dog. That's so fucking cool.
This boat has been through the ringer and back, bro. Yeah, it's not hooking the turns, no turn fin. See?
I couldn't think of fine.
Yeah. I only have the left. The right one broke on the way over here. I had to slam on the brakes, and the bolt holding it broke off. Oh, come on. Yeah, this one is done. Full of water. Full of water. Full of water. All right, boys, comparison. TFL rockets. One's running a Stinger, one's running a stock strut, one's running a 2945, one's running the stock 2960, and they were both fun to drive. This one right here was not running as well because we were running very dry and we're missing a turn fin. So it is what it is, but I love these little monos. Love these little monos. This one is very taken care of right over here, and this one right over here has gone through the ringer and back, and guess what we just did? We crashed it into the curb. We got to do a repair. All right, boys. We will see everybody next time. Thanks for tuning in.